Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to configure login options for BoldDesk Agent and customer portals. Configuring different login options enhances security, accessibility, and compliance, increasing user trust and satisfaction. BoldDesk supports form login, social login, and SSO, allowing organization admins to configure standard login options and users to choose their preferred method from the enabled options. Now, let me show you how to configure agents' login options. First, I log into the BoldDesk account and navigate to the Admin module. I select Agent Portal in the Settings section and go to the Login tab. Then, I enable the form login, which requires agents to provide their username and password to access their accounts. Form login includes additional security settings for verification, which can be enabled or disabled based on need. The Google reCAPTCHA is used to verify users during sign-up and sign-in. Additionally, admins can enforce two-factor authentication for all agents, requiring them to set it for their accounts. Each time they log in, this will require them to provide a second form of identification, such as a code from an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. For more details on setting up two-factor authentication, follow the link in the card above and the description below. Admins can define password policy. They can choose to use a default policy or set a custom one. Next, there are social logins, which admins can enable or disable. Social login allows users to sign into the agent portal using social accounts. BoldDesk supports Google, Facebook, and Microsoft social accounts. There is also an option to enable SSO for agents. To learn more about configuring SSO with Azure AD, follow the link in the card above and description below. Based on the configuration, the options will be displayed on the Agent Portal login page. Next, setting up login options for the customer portal is similar to configuring the Agent Portal. Go to the Settings section, select Customer Portal, and navigate to the Login tab to customize login settings based on your organization's needs. In the Security tab, you can customize password security, which applies only to form login. Customers can enhance the security of their accounts by enabling two-factor authentication in the Security tab of their personal settings page. That's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on BoldDesk features.